back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export in ProRes from LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export ProRes from LumaFusion, all you gotta do is simply go to LumaFusion. Once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to simply find the share icon. Once you simply find the share icon, you can simply choose movie that is inside your share icon. Once you tap on movie as well, in the settings, simply select QuickTime.mov as your format and pick your desired ProRes codec. That is 422, 422 LT, 422 HQ, or 4444 from the video codec dropdown. You need to ensure you have compatible Apple hardware like an iPhone 15 Pro or recent iPad Pro for this feature, as ProRes uses large storage. So this is how you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.